How much do we hear about climate change? How much more do you think we'll hear? We don't have much time to change things in the developing and changing world conditions. Time is running out. The world is warming and our resources are running out. We need heroes before it's too late. Are you one of these heroes? It's about to be late o'clock. This is the layer of atmosphere that surrounds our world with a thin layer of air. This layer contains nitrogen, oxygen, and greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases keep some of the energy from the sun there, keeping the Earth at an average temperature. Thus, our planet becomes a habitable place. We can think of these gases as a blanket that surrounds our world. Without this process in the atmosphere, the world would be a much colder place than it should be. Everything is so normal so far. But now we have a problem. The amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is increasing. As the amount of greenhouse gases increases, more energy from the sun is kept in the atmosphere. Imagine that you have more than one blanket draped over you. You get very hot, don't you? So is the world. This leads to an increase in the average temperatures in the world and a change in the climate. Humans use carbon warehouses in the ground. In other words, uses more fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas. In this way, more carbon dioxide gas is mixed into the atmosphere while energy is obtained. In many places, trees are cut down and buildings are built in their place. Therefore, carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere is increasing even more. Waste is increasing. The waste piles are starting to emit copious amounts of methane gas. Cattle and sheep farming is also increasing methane gas. So, what happens when the climate changes? Product loss in agriculture. Changing precipitation patterns. Severe storms and hurricanes. Forest fires. Melting glaciers. Rising sea levels, increasing ocean water temperatures. We need to slow this change together and save the world as soon as possible. What you need to do to be one of our heroes is very simple. Use energy sparingly. Prefer to use products that will make it easier for you to save. Use energy-saving bulbs for lighting that consume up to 80% less energy than old technology lamp models. Get to know the renewable energy sources closely. You can reduce carbon emissions by using solar and wind energy. Use solar panels in your home. With solar panels, you can both provide energy for your house and provide the hot water you need. Use water sparingly and turn it off whenever you are not using it. Water is very important for us and for our world. Instead of taking the car, prefer public transportation such as the subway, walking or cycling. By reducing the use of fossil fuel vehicles, you can prevent more carbon emissions by using electric cars if possible. Prefer plane travel less. Airplanes cause a lot of greenhouse gas emissions. So whenever possible, let's choose train, bus or sea travel instead of plane. Walk or bike. In this way, you save energy, protect your health and help the environment. Reduce your waste and recycle what you have to use. Think a little more before buying anything new. Do I really need this? Plant more saplings. Forests absorb carbon dioxide. Strengthen the thermal insulation of your house. A proper insulation significantly affects energy savings. Share this information with everyone and act immediately. Now you have a sacred duty to save the world. You know what to do. Prove it to us now. Start calculating your carbon footprint now and test the steps you need to take to save the world.